Finsta app chat with value, monetize your conversations. So let's just take a look at it. What is that? Finsta is a new social platform designed to revolutionize how people connect 21st century. We're empowered you to take control of your times by setting prices for messages, voice calls, and video calls, ensuring you only engage in meaningful conversation. So there is some kind of subscription, and let's just open it up, and let's just try to create an account just for you to see how it looks like. So here is like username. So then it just says start earning, become a creator, start earning. Then you can see your rates, and kind of the idea is that here you can start earning just by making calls and chats on this app, and also then you can become an affiliate and start to earn even more. So here is your referrals as well, so feel free to use my affiliate link as well. But here is the app. It's kind of similar to Neon app, where you can also make money just by making calls to other people on this app. So that's also the idea. And so something like that. And that's what it is. But I don't know how legit is this app. So try it out.